Hi students, so I've been thinking about your independent reading notes and your independent reading assignments, and I wanted to share some thoughts with you on that and on how you could do that. So I've got a poster here in my classroom, and the strategy we're going to use on that is say something. And the way that works is that you start off and you can make a prediction after you finish your reading. You can say something like, I bet that the next time I read XYZ will happen. Or since this happened, the next thing that happened will be ABC. You can write a question. So what does it mean? A word or a phrase, like if there's a vocabulary word or phrase in there that happens, you can do that. You can make a note of what does that mean. I've been reading that book Slay, and it's about online gaming, and I'm not much of a gamer. So there are some things in there that I don't know what they mean. And I would put that down and maybe take some time to Google that or to look that up later. You can clarify what you're saying. You could say, this is confusing. So I've made a note like, I don't know what this means. This thought or this piece is confusing because it's about the online gaming world and creating avatars and virtual reality and the goggles, and I don't really know what all that is. You can connect to what somebody else is saying or to what the character says or does. So if a character is angry about something and you think it's stupid that they're angry about that, you can make that sort of connection. You can, oh, sorry. That was the last one, the connection part. You can make a comment. I thought when this thing happened, it was interesting, funny, mean, cool, sad, annoying, all of those sorts of things. There was a book that I read about a character that had amnesia. It was called The One Memory of Flora Banks. And as she started to repeat her one memory over and over again, at first it was funny, and then it was annoying, and then it was just pitiful. And I think that was the author's point. So this is the strategy, and I'll put that sort of in the digital form online for you. I'm in class. There's a poster up there that says, or some words up there that says focus, so that when you turn around in class to look at the clock, it reminds you to focus, because I'm that kind of annoying teacher. So I will include this strategy, and I will put some notes in detail in Canvas for you, so that every time that you read for about 10 minutes, you stop and you make a comment there. And after about 2 weeks of that, I'll have you take a picture of your notebook so that you can hand that in to me for a grade, and you can get some points for doing your work and your independent reading.